Hey, what are you doing, kitty? Good morning, guys. Second day here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and I love it. I love it. It was sunny and beautiful and all that stuff yesterday, and today, Sunday morning, it's raining, which is not what I had hoped for. But you know what? We're good. We're gonna make, I don't even know what we're gonna do because it's literally gonna be raining all day, 100% rain all day, and then tomorrow is our last day here, Monday, but we're not leaving Monday morning, we're leaving Monday night, so practically 3 days here. But for now, I'm just gonna sit out here on our little baby porch, I guess, and I'm gonna enjoy this weather because I actually don't mind it. I think mountains are beautiful and like everything looks extra, like, I don't know, if you know what I mean. I really love rain, and if you follow my Snapchat story, you'll know. Freaking ran through the woods in the pouring rain, and I'm not talking about just like a little bit of rain like this, like pouring. We'll see what we do today, and you guys will see too. Oh, look at that hair, Manny. Look at that hair. No. Goku over here. Okay. Our hotel is on a freaking hill. We're still sore from the hiking from yesterday, huh?
No, I'm ready.
You just said, Jenny, my legs hurt. We just got finished eating, and I'm really full, and we don't know what we're gonna do. Damn, Manny. Shoot.
A break.
Just a 2-second break. Yeah. Okay. What? I'm gonna. It's not really raining as much anymore, so that's good. Yeah. Wow. This hill's really having me tired.
Every time you come in.
$2. Where's the lights? Whatever. Just leave this over here and let's go, Manny. That's all we came to do, drop off our stuff. Mwah.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem.
You need a break already?
Oh, I'm talking about shoes.
This mall is so cute. It's like they don't have any real good clothing stores, but like it's cute. Look.
Like there.
And there's like what, 3, 4? Oh, we need one of those. Look, look, look. For when we go hiking. Oh, let's do that, Manny. GTR, BRZ, Aston Martin. So it started actually raining harder. So we got our hoodies on now. Do not touch, man. Do not touch. Oh, it's actually stick? What? I didn't think it was actually gonna be a stick shift. We're doing this maze thing right now and it's so trippy.
You go first. Wait.
Even more with the glasses, look. Oh shit, oh. Wait, this is not even, what the heck? Oh, there. It's right here, it's right here. That's, oh, there's more than one. I'm about to start kicking. You move, Minnie.
Oh shit.
He really bought a poncho for the rain. You actually bought a poncho for the rain. But the maze is pretty cool, especially with the glasses. It made it way more trippy.
You're the only person up there.
The only what?
The only way you convinced me is one thing.
What? What?
Nah.
Tell me. We're ready. Yeah. We got our ponchos and they look kind of weird, but it's cool. Now, sky time. You have to do it, Manny. Go like this. Okay.
You cannot beat her.
Now we're ready. Yeah. Why was I about to take my... Okay. You're rude.
What?
You're rude.
Yeah.
You closed the door on me.
No,
shoot. I think you're more ready to go than I am.
You think I'm ruined? But
Stop it! Don't do that! What the hell's wrong with you? Jesus, you're already trying to give me a heart attack.
this is so
We're not
dangerous.
even
Look, this
anywhere.
shit,
Stop!
so
Don't do that. We're nowhere near high right now.
Oh my god, I'm scared of heights.
Oh my Lord.
In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
What was it called? The sky lift? You guys saw how it looks in the daytime. Now you're gonna see how it looks at night. This is where I'm ending tonight's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and tomorrow it's supposed to snow a little bit in the mountains, so we're gonna head up to the mountains. That should be fun. Thanks for watching, and that's it for today's vlog.